You join me stood under the wing of an Airbus A380. I'm at Aeroscopia. I've probably just completely butchered that name, but it's a museum here at Toulouse Airport, the home of Airbus and ATR. So the day started with a tour of the final assembly line at Airbus for the A321XLR. Unfortunately, we weren't allowed to film, photo, anything, so I can't really show you anything. It was awesome to see the aircraft actually getting put together and finalised, ready for delivery, and learning all about the process from the bits arriving on the belugas, where they're assembled, how the process runs, and what ultimately turns into the final delivery of the aircraft. And after that, you get as much time as you want at this amazing museum. So outside, as you can see, we've got an A380 behind me. There is an ATR 72, and if I spin around, you've got the ATR 42, and hiding behind the A380, because I mean you can hide most mountains behind an A380. Like walking around, you just it's only when you're down on the ground like this you get a sense of just how big these things are. It's mind-blowing. It's just, it takes actual time. It takes actual time to walk around it. But hiding behind it, we have an A320. But hiding behind the A320 is the A340, which is a bit of a rare beast nowadays. So yeah, we'll go and have a look at that. But on top of this, outside on a different apron, you've got an A400M, which we went on as part of the tour. That was really awesome. And inside that hangar there behind me was this awesome array of just everything from MiG-15s to Concorde number 2, like one of the test aircraft. There's a Super Guppy in there, which I've never seen other than in pictures, so that was awesome to be able to get up close to that and have a look. A300B, which you could actually go on. Same with the Concorde, you could go on that. Amongst many other things, just so many different types of aircraft and helicopters. So that was a really cool, really awesome experience. So yeah, now we've come outside. It has started to rain in the south of France, which I didn't think was possible, but here we go. We're going to go and have a look on the A380. It's a pool. I assume, can we go on here? The main deck, thank you. It's like walking into a building. So this particular A380 is one of the 5 prototypes that they use for flight testing in developing the type, and everything you see behind me is all just showing you the amount of like monitoring and computer stuff that went into doing that flight testing. And it was, yeah, it's just, you can't get your head around just how big it is and how much is going on. It's literally like walking into a big building when there's no seats in an aircraft and no overhead lockers and stuff like that. Like, you can't get your head around how big all of this stuff is. Look at it all of these hefty buggers here. It's because obviously they can't carry passengers and crew and stuff when they're doing all these test flights. It's all just full of water and glycol, apparently. It's basically to simulate the weight of having passengers and crew in various places around the aircraft as it's flying. God, it's massive. What's going on here? I'm in a very bougie duty-free by the looks of it. You can't buy anything. And one of those water features that you get. There we go, up the stairs. It's not often that you see like them this close to one another, just give you that perspective of just how small the 320, which is still quite a sizable aircraft, because it is quite like it's been scared, like it's quite tall. but it's, yeah, seeing it next to the 380 this closely makes you just truly appreciate the sheer size of that 380. And of course that little ATR 42 in the corner looks like someone's just forgotten about it. It's just like it's just dwarfed. You could put that ATR on the horizontal stabilizer of the 380 and it probably wouldn't even notice. Yeah, so now we'll head inside and work through the inside, just all the awesome bits that are in there, and then I believe it spits us out the other side. There is aviation museums like all over the world. It's not just the only place on the planet that's got one, and I think just them all in general, just fantastic that these things are just kept to a standard where people can just come and enjoy them. Like the amount of people here who, you know, if I were a better man, would say aren't into aviation, they've just come because it's something to do whilst they're here, and you could just see like the excitement on people's faces and just like seeing the sheer size of the things, and you know, all the exhibits that are showing you how stuff works and things. Just like, yeah, no, it's just cool. It's just really cool that places take the time and effort to keep these things accessible to people like you and I. Anyway, inside. Not a look at that Guppy, is it? The amount of stuff they've been able to cram in here is actually impressive. Like, considering like the size of that Guppy, it's huge. There's aircraft literally underneath it. But yeah, it's just, yeah, where else would you see stuff like this all in one place? I could spend hours in here. Well, in fact, we have spent hours in here, but you don't want to watch a sad man walking around a museum for hours, because that is not entertainment nor what you want to watch. But yeah, it's been fantastic, and we're going to head out onto the other apron now and see what's out there. So out here we've got a Caravelle that's behind me there, an Air France Concorde, one that was actually used in service. There are steps up to it, but yeah, it's all cordoned off, so I don't think we can actually go on it. But still, again, awesome that you can be this close, and maybe someone can help me out with this. What's that? I don't know. I'm not very good with military aircraft, so yeah, if someone could help me out with that, that would be much appreciated, because the little placard that tells you about the aircraft is missing from whatever it is. So yeah, I'm asking you. Let me know, because it's going to drive me insane. So that concludes our visit for the Airbus tour and to Aeroscopia. Fantastic. If you ever find yourself in Toulouse, or you're looking for a really geek trip to make, jump on a flight to Toulouse. Do this. It's fantastic. It's brilliant. It's been an awesome experience. So thank you for watching. If you have watched this far, you know what to do. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that kind of good stuff. It really does help. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.